Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to make grid lines darker in Excel. Let's apply this to the entire worksheet. Click on the top left corner of the sheet to select all cells, or simply press Ctrl-A. Now go to the Home tab, click on Borders, and select More Borders. Here, choose the border style you want for the grid lines. I'll select a solid line. You can also change the color. Let's choose red. On the right side, you can select outline or inside. We'll choose inside, but you can also keep or remove specific sides if you want. Click OK, and now all grid lines are converted into dark red lines. To remove the borders, go back to Borders and select No Border. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.